Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I wish you all the luck and happiness to spend this time with the most loved ones, with your family and friends, and to be surrounded by beauty and talented, amazing people. Today I am very grateful for everything that I have, and I hope to be luckier to get even more projects and more success, to attract more success into my life. Right now I'm going to open my long-awaited present that I got from Louis Vuitton. I was eyeing for this bag for quite a long time, for a couple of months. Yeah, it's not a very long time, but still. So let's open it. Ta-da! So it's presented like that. Imagine if I open and there is nothing inside the cookie. I bought nothing, just a beautiful box. So I love the package all the time. It's really cute with these ribbons, and so we have pretty message inside, but I'm not going to open it right now because there's no message actually, just the thing of the brand Louis Vuitton. So now we have this black bag, and yeah, it's easy to open, and here I have something that I really love and I'm sure that I wanted it for a long time. So this is the Louis Vuitton black New Wave bag. To open it you have to push here, and yeah, it's really cute. And inside you have a lot of place for your makeup or important things like portemonnaie, and you have another Louis Vuitton message here, and also you have this, you know, this little thing that you put on here, but I'm not going to use it personally because I think it's out of style to put it here with these multicolor letters. So I think it's classier to have it without it, but who knows, maybe for my daughter it's going to be cute to put it on her backpack. But for now, I really love this bag, and hope we will have beautiful adventures together to go into gala concerts in the Opera Garnier, or maybe traveling to New York or London. Yeah, I have a lot of projects and dreams. I have a question. What do you think? What do you think about the color of the bag? You prefer black bags, or now the trendy color is this, you know, khaki color, and I prefer classics, so I took this one. What is your opinion?